So before we had WrightPlan at CMF Group, we were busy as always. We spent a lot of time and effort trying to work through our quoting systems and correspond between different people on our team. And I would say we were quite siloed in how we managed and dealt with information. The thing that made WrightPlan stand out above other software is it was custom designed for our industry. It fit very well with exactly what we were trying to accomplish, and we also had some opportunity to have close involvement with the development team at WrightPlan. Trying to implement WrightPlan, like with any new system or software, definitely proposed some challenges. Mostly we just needed to figure out how to get the buy-in from our team and our group and explain the value to them. Once the value was recognized, buy-in was a lot easier from the group. What surprised me about WrightPlan is the customization. The ability for the WrightPlan team to customize the software to our specific needs, and that has tremendous value. The thing that makes me happiest, most satisfied with WrightPlan would be that we are now tied to a system as one group, to one system, and that provides consistency throughout our entire organization.